Make her run.
She got her leash in her mouth. Easy. Ow. All my work is done for the day.
Look at that. This morning she was playing with the new kitten, and she says to the new kitten, she goes, she's playing on the couch with her, and the dog came running, and the new kitten jumped down to play with him. She goes, you can't play with dog. The cats and dogs don't like each other. Get back up here and play with me. Cats and dogs don't like each other, she goes. Get back up here and play with me.
Yeah, careful.
I probably needs a haircut.
Mm.
Baby girl.